Hello and welcome to MyTV's happenings. Yes, we are blessed to be given the opportunity to be here at the almost finished Terminal 2 of Mactan, Cebu International Airport. We were even the first to drive into this new elevated area. So this is where the departure area is. And yes, you will go around and see outside of this facility, which will be opened in June. GMR Megawide's Andrew Harrison already told us that we will be coming back here on June 7 for an interview inside the terminal. So we'll give you outside first of this beautiful terminal that will make Cebu really a place of destination, because this is going to be a beautiful airport. So please go and enjoy what you will see.
Had strength than the steel as well.
So this is wood.
Terminal 2 of the Mactan Cebu International Airport, or MCIA, is on track to open as scheduled in the middle of the year. But GMR Megawide Cebu Airport Corporation, or GMCAC, is working to have it ready to operate earlier than expected.
Well, this is Kumar. Kumar is the guy handling.
We are taking care of the ORAT. ORAT is the Operational Readiness and Airport Transfer. We are instrumental in making sure the airport is operational and is commissioned well in time, and all the operational procedures are put into place so that we have an effective and a running terminal without any issues at all.
Very good. So show us. This is the departure area, right?
This is the departure drop-off area. This is a 5-lane departure drop-off where the passengers would come down, and this is a covered canopy, a see-through canopy where you will be able to see that. This is the link bridge that we see here, and this link bridge is also covered with a canopy. Same arrangement as we have in the drop-off, see-through. This is a 90-meter corridor. To be precise, it's 89 meters, and this is for the passengers to walk through and then get into the terminal. Okay. We'll have 2 departure gates to get into the terminal, and then we'll see further.
Once the new terminal is operational, a major renovation of the Terminal 1 will follow. The new terminal will have 3 levels with total space of 65,000 square meters and increase the Cebu's airport's passenger capacity to 12.5 million. MCIA eyes passenger traffic of 11.2 million in 2018, an increase of 12% from last year. Opening of Terminal 2 and the launch of the new flights out of Cebu. It pays tribute to Cebu as a resort island and Cebuano heritage of furniture making in the terminal roof that uses glulam, first ever use of the material in an airport, and mimics ocean waves. Glulam, also called glued laminated timber, is made up of layers of wood bonded together with structural adhesives. The new terminal will have a spacious and airy atmosphere, featuring ceilings that are 26 meters high and full glass walls. The polished concrete floor will have mother of pearls mixed in it so it would sparkle like sand in the sunlight.